This is the 7th grade lesson for October 26th and October 27th, 2016. And just off from the bell work, we did Katya again. That should be number 16, I believe. So you should almost be finished with the worksheet. Learning goals. Students will be able to list and demonstrate knowledge of all parts of plot and begin to understand characterization. Well, we haven't quite gotten to characterization, nor will we today, but I'll at least be able to get you through plot. Alright, so discussion of writing was due earlier in the week. If your name is on there, it means I haven't gotten it yet. We're down to 10, which is great. Please, please, please get that into me, okay? You have a new discussion due on Monday. I'm probably going to cancel that because I haven't come up with one yet, and it's going to be Thursday already. So just I'll work on your MRAs, monthly reading assignments, on November 30th, and chapters 12 to 14 of The Giver due next Monday. And then I'll come up with a new discussion on Monday. Alright, so in class, the goal is to finish the play. So if we are able to do that, then we will move on to this next one, which is make a plot diagram of the events of the story with your shoulder partner. Now remember, a plot diagram is exposition, which gives you characters, setting, and your conflict, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution, which again resolves the conflict. Okay? You want to find the climax first. That's going to be the essential part, which in this case, I'm hoping you've already read it, so spoiler alert, but in this case, the climax is when one particular character gets shot. I'm not going to say who. Okay, so that way you can at least be surprised. If you have read the story, you're familiar with who I'm referring to. But one character ends up getting shot. That's the turning point of the whole story, is that one scene. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. However, I do want to make it aware that when you're doing the rising action, I don't want one or two. I don't want a little paragraph blurb. I want a whole bunch. Because keep in mind, from the very beginning of the play until that scene, a lot happens. And I do mean a lot. And way too many times, I get plot diagrams that have very, very little. Because students don't want to do the full amount of work. So I want you to consider this. You're going to do a plot diagram as if you were going to absolutely be trying for an A, which means I'm looking for at least 10, if not significantly more, items on that list of rising actions. And there's quite a few on the falling action side of things as well. So, complete that plot diagram for the play after you have finished reading it. I'll make sure I have an online copy on eCampus. If you go under Quarter 2 Materials, you should be able to find it there. That concludes the lesson of the day.